Hi, Coach Miro Reljic here, and today we're going to talk about the importance of goals or goal setting. And this is something that I've shared with thousands of people across Canada and how I've actually learned through my own process how to properly set goals. And why is this so important? When I moved to Calgary 20 years ago in 1999, in the first week of my arrival, I was so adamant to get a professional job that I asked people in my community, hey, can you help me find a professional job? And one person said, hey, sure thing, I'll help you find a professional job. Just come to the Bow Valley Square and show up at 5 p.m. and I'll help you. So I've done that, I was there at 5 p.m. and he basically said, well, Miro, come with me, we have to go to the office, we have to sign some paperwork. I followed him, he opened his office doors, and he basically in that room there was the mop and the broom, and he says, you know what, if you want this opportunity, it's yours. So I was like, oh wow, great, this is a job, I was shocked, but at the same time, I knew that I didn't speak the language. I didn't have friends. I didn't have developed network in Calgary. So I embraced this opportunity. But right then and there, on the 26th floor at the Bow Valley Square, I learned the importance of having goals. Because when I was there, I could see myself within 5 years. I can't emphasize this enough. 5 years, I want to achieve 3 things. And those 3 things were, I want to become fluent in English, I want to get a degree from a university, and I want to get a professional job within those 5 years. And guess what? I achieved that. So for 2 years, I studied English full on at the Bow Valley College, Mount Royal College at that time. Then I signed up at the University of Calgary to study economics, and I graduated economics in 2004. I studied there from 2001 to 2004. I graduated in 2004, and at the end of 2004, I got my first breakthrough. I got the first professional job working in one of downtown offices in Calgary. So I cannot stress enough the importance of goal setting, because that's so important. If you have not done that yet, please start thinking about it. If you have any questions how to do it, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.